Opening scene. Futuristic visuals of a person with biohacking technologies. Welcome to the Future Files, where we delve into the extraordinary possibilities of human potential. In this episode, we explore the fascinating world of biohacking and human augmentation, where advancements in technology allow us to unlock the untapped capabilities of the human body and redefine our limitations. Join me as we journey into the realm of biohacking. Visuals showcasing biohacking technologies. Biohacking, the merging of biology and technology, offers incredible opportunities for enhancing human abilities, improving health, and pushing the boundaries of what it means to be human. Segment 1. The foundations of biohacking. To understand biohacking, let's explore its foundations and the technologies that enable this field. Visuals of genetic engineering, implants, and cognitive augmentation. From genetic engineering and gene editing to implants and cognitive augmentation, biohacking encompasses a wide range of technologies. We'll dive into each of these areas, exploring their potential and ethical considerations. Segment 2. Enhancing physical abilities. Biohacking offers exciting possibilities for enhancing physical abilities. Let's explore how technology can augment our strength, endurance, and overall performance. Visuals of exoskeletons, muscle stimulation devices, and performance-enhancing implants. Exoskeletons, muscle stimulation devices, and performance-enhancing implants are just a few examples of technologies that can enhance our physical capabilities. We'll discuss the current advancements and the potential impact of these technologies on sports, rehabilitation, and everyday life. Segment 3. Expanding cognitive abilities. The human mind is a vast frontier for exploration. Let's delve into the field of cognitive augmentation and how it can expand our cognitive abilities. Visuals of brain-computer interfaces, neurofeedback devices, and memory enhancement technologies. Brain-computer interfaces, neurofeedback devices, and memory enhancement technologies offer the potential to enhance memory, improve focus, and augment our cognitive functions. We'll explore the cutting-edge research and applications of these technologies, as well as the ethical considerations surrounding cognitive enhancement. Segment 4. Genetic engineering and longevity. Genetic engineering holds tremendous potential for enhancing our health and longevity. Let's explore how it can shape the future of medicine and human lifespan. Visuals of gene editing tools, personalized medicine, and genetic therapies. Gene editing tools, personalized medicine, and genetic therapies are revolutionizing healthcare. We'll discuss how genetic engineering can help prevent and treat diseases, improve our overall well-being, and potentially extend our lifespan. Segment 5. Ethical considerations and the future of biohacking. With great power comes great responsibility. Let's delve into the ethical considerations and future implications of biohacking. Visuals representing ethical debates and discussions. As biohacking technologies advance, we must grapple with questions of consent, privacy, equality, and societal implications. We'll explore the ethical considerations surrounding biohacking and the need for responsible innovation in this field. And that concludes our exploration of biohacking and human augmentation. From enhancing physical abilities to expanding cognitive functions and genetic engineering, the possibilities are awe-inspiring. Join us next time on the Future Files as we continue to unlock the mysteries of tomorrow, exploring the cutting-edge technologies and visionary ideas that push the boundaries of human potential.